Hey everyone, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to go over a quick new box that I have not had before, and I haven't actually seen a lot of unboxings of this, so I thought it'd be interesting to do today and then show you some of the pieces and everything. So this is the box. It's hard to tell. I've already gone through it like I do with all my boxes, but it is the Rachel Zoe box of style. So this box, when I got it, everything was in this little bag here inside the box. And so this is, if you guys don't know much about this box, it's one of the pricier ones. It is a quarterly subscription. It's, sorry, excuse me, $100 a quarter. I did get this on like a super discount with a coupon and everything, and I had pre-seen what was in the box before I bought it. But basically it's, I don't even know who this person is, but she puts together these boxes of like lifestyle stuff. So I thought it was a little fun since I like some of my other subscription boxes that are lifestyle boxes. So basically inside, like I said, I've taken this apart. You see there's another box, and then there was a towel. So I'll just start with the towel. Turkish towels seem to be all the rage, and I had to restrain myself from getting the editor's box for FabFitFun because of the Turkish towel. This one had a Turkish towel included in it, and unfortunately by the time I ordered it, they had only one option of the Turkish towel. But this is the package on there, and I think the other option was this pink one, which they sold out. But I probably would have gone for the pink one, but this is the one that I picked, and this is what the Turkish towel looks like. So the only thing I can think with Turkish towels is it has to do with the little fuzzy ends. Otherwise, this is kind of towel-like material. This is actually pretty thick, and it is pretty huge. It's kind of, this one's more of a square pattern than your typical towel pattern, but it's really nice and thick. So you could use this outside like a blanket for a picnic. Or you could, I don't know, drape it around your shoulders. I don't know. Or you could just use it at the beach. But I figured this was really cool. We like to do outdoorsy stuff. Go to the pool, go to the beach. So this is my towel. Sorry about that. I had to pause for a second. My daughter decided to come in. She should be going to bed, but she is not. Okay, so the next thing in here is this box, and so I imagine this is what your monthly box tends to look like. It's this box. This is the box of style. The Zoe report, and this is kind of a cool box actually. It opens up, and it's magnetic. Like, this is a fancy box, and it says "Hello, gorgeous." Hashtag the box of style. Again, I got into everything, but it was everything was like really fancy wrapped in here. Now this box wasn't super full, and I imagine because two of the items are, you know, outside of the box this time. But just kind of going through it here. The first thing that's in here that I think is pretty cool is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Kate Glow, so moisturizer. I'm not going to open this up and smell it or any of that stuff, just because I have a couple other moisturizers I'm actually working through. I'll go over moisturizers in another video because I have like 4 or 5 that I'm working on and kind of rotating through. So before I open this up and have to use it up by the 12-month date, I'm gonna go through some of my other ones and see. But that's that. This is, I forget how much this is. Let me see, they have, oh yeah, that's the other thing. On the top, when I opened it up, there's this thing, this little brochure that says the box of style summer 2018. So in it, it has like a little bit about this stuff. So let me see if it says how much. It says like how much everything is, and kind of gives you some ideas. So the Exfoliate Kate is $65. So I think I got this whole thing for $75 shipped was the with the coupon. So remember, this is $100 normally. So that's $65. And then the Turkish towel, if I remember correctly, was really expensive. $58. So this is $58. So these two items here alone pay for the full price box, and more than pays for what I paid for it. Okay, so next thing in here is, this thing's kind of cute. This is the other big reason I wanted this. Now you say, what is this? let me give you the name of this. This is the St. Barth's cover up. So this thing is supposed to be worth $115. And you can see it has like lace detailing and little, I don't even know what you call them, little ball detailing. And it's interesting. I'm gonna put this on real quick just to give you guys an idea, but they show these in like all the website, like people tuck them in as shirts or wear it as a dress. Now I'm 6 foot, so you can see it will not work as a dress for me, but for a swimming cover-up, it's cute. I don't think I'll wear it as a shirt per se, but I got it because I needed a good swimming coverall. I didn't have one. My last one just kind of fell apart, and we're going on a vacation in a couple months, so I thought this would be really fun. So that's this. So yeah, this bad boy is $115. They call it the Bindia Lace Up Cover Up. So this is more than the full price box. Okay, so the last thing inside the actual box are these Hampton earrings. Apparently this is like, well, you'll see here. These are like super on point right now for style. So you can see they're the tassel earrings. I like earrings. I think they're cute. They are definitely big, but they are super on point with style right now. So these are really cute. They go really well with this. And these are apparently, they say they're for Love and Lemon's loop fringe earrings. They're $63. So you can wear these with this little outfit. It coordinates. And then the final item, as I showed you in the very beginning, was this cute little straw beach bag. And let me see what the price was on this. They call it the St. Tropez tote. It is a straw bag. Retails for $99. I think when I was watching this, they said this was specifically made for this box. And you can see in here, they have the label here. It says Rachel Zoe for boxes style. Now, what's cool about this, and I have a couple of these like straw bags for the beach. This one is nice. Like this one, the straw is not, it's soft. Like it feels almost cloth-like, which is unusual for a straw bag. Because usually when you get them, they feel real hard and crunchy, and you feel like if you do this, it's gonna break them. And I don't feel like this at all with this material. So this is a really sweet tote. I really like it. Now, do I think that it's probably worth $99? Probably not, but it's adorable nonetheless, and it's really nice. So you can see, you can go to the beach, put your thing in there, put your fancy earrings on. I can even put them on here. Put on a little lotion, put on your cover up, and let's see if I can put these on. I haven't worn my bottom earring in a while. I tend to not wear it that often. And then, yeah, go to the beach and everything. So there you go. Anyway, tell me what you think, guys. I think I'll probably go ahead and continue this on for another month and see how I like it. Even though it is on the pricey side, I do really like this so far. I feel like this is definitely a more high-end luxury. And I feel like for what I got, it was actually worth the value. I don't think this is a good one for people that are looking for like a cheap find everything, but if you want like a little bit more luxurious on point style, this is a really cool sub box. So anyway, as always, please subscribe, hit the warning bell to know when my videos come on, and tell me what you think. All right, thanks guys.